I think anybody that is invested into XRP is trying to figure out whether we're going to see an explosion at certain times, right? We're trying to really hone in on the date, the month, the season as to when we're going to see things explode. Because XRP, for altcoins at least, is going to lead the way, right? It is the most usable cryptocurrency. It has the most interest, most conversations, governmental conversations, institutional interest than any other altcoin that's really out there. You can argue and say Bitcoin, Ethereum, you can say Avalanche or Solana or whatever, but XRP is that cryptocurrency, whether you like it or not. Now, with that being said, we are reaching an important date, not only for the fact that I still haven't completed my taxes, but also with the fact that typically after tax season, it tends to look pretty positive. So we're hopeful that that's the case again, meaning that tax season, once it does end, could be a significant pushing point for XRP. We could see it explode to a whole new level. And then now people that didn't get the chance thinking that things were going to fall more and more just didn't get into this position. Guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you could check out any of the links that are down below, it does help out the channel. If you want to check out my link for BTCC, feel free to do so. That link is in the description. If you utilize my link, you'll get a 10% deposit bonus, extra bonuses up to $10,055, and up to 40% lower trading fees. So feel free to check it out. Again, link is at the top of the description. Now, I've been going back and forth on this because I don't really like to give dates. I don't really like to say, oh, well, this is going to happen tomorrow, or buy this by tomorrow, or do this by tomorrow. I don't really like to do that because you never really know what's going to happen in the crypto market. No one truly knows. So whether we say, hey, do this by tomorrow, or you should be invested in the crypto at this time, or this is what will happen with XRP. If we say all of that, it doesn't mean that it's 100% true. It means that there's a chance based on history and based on data and based on some facts that this could happen. But it doesn't mean that it's 100%. I just want to put that out there that if you are invested into XRP, or if you're looking to invest in XRP, it doesn't mean that you have to right now. It just means that, this is a great opportunity in my opinion. So if we look at where XRP is currently, in the last 24 hours, it's had some green, right? I like seeing green in the market. XRP is sitting at $1.37. It is up 3.54% in the last 24 hours, and we're sitting at an $84 billion market cap, with the volume up 57%, almost 60%. Maybe people are seeing the same thing. $2.83 billion worth of volume. Primarily, it's been positive, as you can see with the movement in the markets. 61.48 billion coins, or 61.4 billion coins. Sorry, it's early in the morning, so I thought the B was an 8. 61.4 billion coins in circulating supply, with 521, almost 522 thousand holders. Now, I think that XRP is going to be massive in this bull market, right? When we start to see things pick up. Spring tends to be a very positive season for cryptocurrency. Not all the time, especially in the bear market. We may see some more aggressive movement there, but it tends to be very positive for cryptocurrency, because after tax season, many people aren't looking at that liability, aren't looking at the amount of money that they're putting towards taxes, especially the people that are investing, like me, right? So I went on Google or Gemini and talked about after tax season crypto performance. As of mid-April 2026, the cryptocurrency market is showing signs of a strong recovery immediately following the U.S. tax deadline, with Bitcoin rising 5.3%, over $74,500. Ethereum increasing 8.4%, $2,373 in a 24-hour period. This movement follows a period of tax-related selling, where investors likely reduce positions to cover liabilities, setting the stage for a potential crypto spring. Rapid recovery following the April 15th, 2026 deadline or tax deadline. Major cryptocurrencies show immediate gains with it. I don't know how to say that. Alrin, sure. Galaxy Global Cryptocurrency Index rising. Indicating a rebound in market confidence. Seasonal spring. Historical trends suggest that the market may experience a spring phase following the tax deadline as selling pressure decreases and investor cash flow return to the market, similar to seasonal trends in other assets. So what this is saying, right, is that spring may be something a lot bigger for people that are investing in the cryptocurrency. So what I say, right, as we look at XRP, you can look at the entire cryptocurrency market and say the same thing. But what I say is in XRP is that XRP is going to lead all altcoins because of its popularity, because of its potential use, because of its institutional interest, ETFs, and many other things that are out there for this position. And you would have to do it before or get involved in it before we see that tax deadline, because we could possibly see this all of a sudden rise to $2, all of a sudden rise to $3. And as it goes from these levels of $1.37, what are people going to say when it does get to $2? You're going to have people that say, I wish I bought more, and I wish I decided to invest in XRP at $1.30. Everybody thinks that it has a potential chance to go lower. Yeah, sure. But do you see me freaking out and going, oh, well, you know what? I should sell it as I know it's going to get to $1 or get to 90 cents or get to 50 cents. No, I don't care if it does, because the ultimate goal is to gain so much more as it gets to 5 and 10 and 20 and 30 and $100 as we move forward. So what needs to be done before April 15th, before tomorrow? It doesn't have to be a certain time, but before tomorrow, because it seems like people are reacting today, is, make that purchase of whatever cryptocurrency you wanted to purchase. If it does decrease more, you still bought at a very low level compared to where it was at their highs. Whatever you're buying. For XRP especially, you saw the high, $3.65. It currently sits at $1.37. You can gain so much more over where it stands just from that. Now see it further than that. Now see the vision of getting to $5 and $10 and being more usable and being the most used and most sought after cryptocurrency on the market. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does really help out the channel. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.